Good afternoon. May I see your passport and customs declaration form, please?
Good afternoon. Yes, here you go.
Thank you. What's the purpose of your visit to Australia?
I'm here for a holiday, just to explore and relax.
How long are you planning to stay?
I'll be here for 2 weeks.
Where will you be staying during your visit?
I've booked a hotel in Sydney, near the harbour.
Great. Do you have anything to declare? Any food, alcohol, tobacco, or large sums of money?
No, I don't have anything to declare. Just my luggage and some gifts.
Are you carrying more than 10,000 Australian dollars in cash?
No, definitely not.
All right, everything looks good. Enjoy your stay in Australia.
Thank you. Is there anything I should know before I leave?
Just check that you're not taking any restricted items with you when you leave. Safe travels.
Thanks. One last question. What's the best way to get to the city from the airport?
You can take the train or a taxi. Both are convenient. Have a great day.
You too.